Oh hey guys, welcome to another video of jail building. In this video, we will be continuing what we stopped at last. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll go in. Okay, now we are going to have red nether brick and put it along up and up all the way to the other end. Now we will have nether brick and put it and do this. What I'm doing, and we will do all that for there to there. And we will be doing about the same thing as we were doing last time. And we will be doing a lot of other stuff. And we will be doing this, just like we did on the other side. And we'll be doing this all the way to the other end. Up. And we will put these two like that. Get rid of that. We will be doing this like put red nether brick around the brick. And we will be doing this for a little bit. And we will be putting it all the way across the way in. And we will be doing that. And we will put it all the way to the top of the brick. And we will be and we will destroy that to put the brick up. Up. And we will destroy these to put brick up. We will be doing that until there's only 2 spaces of grass, and then we'll be putting the roof on top. Perfect. And then we will put everything, and we will do this all the way to the other side, and put it, not that, and put it all the way in the inside. I'm doing this all wrong. And we will put it all the way to the side. Dun. And we will do this to the top. And we will put it all the way around the brick. All the way around the brick. If you didn't hear me. So we will do this all the way around, all the way across, not around, across. And we will put it, and we will put it on. And we will put it all the way around the red nether brick. Okay? Okay. Now we're sleeping because it's nighttime. Or just do it all the way bed. Not all the way bed. All the way day. So you don't need to worry about the night. We will do this all the way almost to the other side. And connect it. And do the same thing all the way up until there's no way that you can do it anymore. If you've seen a few other videos, then you've probably known that I am a pretty good YouTuber. And we will put it all the way around like that. Like that. And doesn't it look great? And we will get a sign. You can choose any type of sign you want. I'm just gonna choose spruce. And then bye guys, you can do anything on the inside you want and on the sign. Bye guys.